watching this one. You take it already?
Video.
To the end.
20-inch. This is the cost for a 20-inch bundle is like 17,000
What is that?
Jamaican dollar.
But in US?
In US, $30 US.
Me there, yeah, and me hear some story and some things that irritate the fuck out of me, I tell you, understand, make me pray away. Now you have some elders in them days after them do all them time and serve the youths them of this country. And in them time now where them feel relax, you have liquor youth now come out and antagonize the people them.
Another one. Welcome back, people, to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando, yours truly. Hope y'all having a wonderful new year so far. We're at like day 3 of January 2025. Hope y'all having a wonderful new year so far. But I come to give you all updates on Vybz Kartel show, and I come to give you updates on the fans' perspective of the show and Spice's scenario why she called Alkaline name, and I come to give you many different updates with Kerry, that's Alkaline's sister. She speaking on the incident with Spice calling her brother's name on Vybz Kartel Freedom Street, and another series where we see Spragga Benz came out and speaking about the bad man them in Jamaica, right? The bad man them in Jamaica and them shenanigans where them are going on with, and I'll let you guys see it in this episode, and hope y'all stay tuned and remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go. First things first, I want to give you guys a view. I got a different angle of the Freedom Street stage show in the National Stadium, and some drone shots, some drone shots of the old show. So let's go right into it and let you guys see how the drone shot went down.
Listen, my mother Crystal man, it's mother man, it's father man. Let's go up this movie. Let's go up. Guys, driving on street. Listen to me. The boy therapy. You talk too much. Look at my stadium. Look at my stadium. I want that MC.
No lie, the turnout was epic. Nah, take with the greatness from Kartel. The turnout and the look. I see some footage where they show look scanty and it never look wrong, but from the view here it kind of look different. And then again, the light turn off, so at the same time it can be all that too, but you can't see it wrong. It was an epic moment in Jamaica, no lie. No, I have a different thing to show you guys, alright? And I know I'm not gonna laugh, but this a Sean Storm after the show in Michael Jackson suit, cause that it look like to me, or is disco suit, cause I must say disco him go program, but interview with them. So this is Sean Storm.
Doing well, even doing better.
So how are you feeling? Like, what are you feeling in this very moment? How do you feel about your performance just then?
You know, when I start process the performance there yet. I want to see back some footage and everything there. For really critique myself. So I'm not ready yet for assessing, but just go and watch out.
Okay, alright, so we're in 2025 now. What can we look forward to from you?
First of all, Happy New Year. Just
Yo, dog, me don't know where Sean Storm get that liquor, dog. The liquor the one of them, bro. And the boot just big, dog, but you know, the money are big man already, so the money are still there back in our ages, there, bro. At 20, I don't know which year just in the map, but as I say, it's a disco beat, the dog here. Him give a disco beat, and it's like say, yo, what your dog shoes wear? Man shoes, and what your dog hairstyle. You see him hairstyle. Bro, Sean Storm, I don't know where dog get that lick the dog, but that lick the different. What's your hairstyle? No, but the what you must see Sean Storm head bald, not bald, but lower ear. So what kind of is a wig or is a lace front? I must a wig or a lace front, because I could have sworn I see Sean Storm ear never so tall. Even when him come out of prison, him ear never so tall. Him ear dead low. Him have a couple videos on YouTube, I can show her that with him ear low. So I'm frightened never see him in this, and then him have the band around him head tie up. Yo, Sean Storm no play no, bro. Sean Storm no play, bro. The man, as I say, and the man give a disco beat and see Savage there in the background. Savage come like him still living in 2010 to blood clean. Savage come like him pull up. Savage pull up him color music video wear and bring it back a Kartel concert. Him couldn't find something better for wear, man. Come on, man. A big man on the be, you know, you could find something better for wear, bro. Let me jump in on something else. Also, let me jump in a part with Popcaan. It's a Popcaan come out with him entourage. And it look like say I hold a St. Thomas Popcaan one coming on a stage show. Now, Scatta did say. Scatta said him can't bother with Popcaan and him 100 man. So I guess Scatta did predict it from an earlier time. Scatta did had predict.
Video.
Bomb clean. Watch it. A Popcaan, that's no man. It's a Popcaan right there, say no.
Video.
Now, hear me have to say about this, dog. Popcaan forward with so much, man. I'm not going to exaggerate and say some of them may not be fans who just want other than themselves and the entourage to say, yo, they were part of the crew, but my God, bro, so much man and so much man surround Popcaan. You can count on your finger how much woman dead with him. You can count on your finger how much man dead with him. But Scatta Burrell predict the right thing, and me not gonna lie, bro. Scatta Burrell really predict the right thing. Scatta know what I'm talking about. So this is apparently Popcaan with a bag of fans plus entourage one coming on the show. So it just couldn't work with Scatta, but unfortunately, as Popcaan stated, he would have to stay out the 3 hours. Which me doubt nobody would have somebody outside for 3 hours. I'm gonna go in my yard. I couldn't stay no outside our gate for 3 hours. I'm gonna go. So that's more likely an exaggeration. I don't get that, Popcaan. And the disrespect, I not gonna lie, I never like it. You just mess up Kartel concert, make it so unprofessional and unorganized, with very unethical to me, because you not keep a legendary concert like that for a legend like Vybz Kartel. More than expect them to make it go at its best behavior without fight and all of them things. So it's just a shame to see that happen. Now let's jump into another scenario. You have Spragga Benz speak out on some of the gangsters them at Jamaica, how them a prey upon the old people them, in a sense where the elderly people them get older now and them a live off of them pension. Them a live off of them pension, and it's like them wanna live easy and comfortable, but at the same time the younger youths them where the bad man them in our community them now give the older people them a break. Them is like them a tax them and a extort them. So listen where Spragga Benz have to say.
Me hear some story and some things that irritate the fuck out of me, and tell you this time, make me pray away. Now you have some elders in them days after them do all them time and serve the youths them of this country. And in them time now them feel relax, you have liquor youth now come out and antagonize the people them. I try for bumble clap with the people I pay them all sort of tax all sort of
That's crazy.
extortion, fuckery to the elder them, cut off people light, cut off people water, and you know when the bumble clap, yeah, them property them with the people in you know, but them want to control the people. You want to chop off someone's face, someone that you not even know. But violence begot more violence, so we can't even check that way then either. So I beg the youth them, yo, no one serve them, man. Respect the elders and show them some respect now. In them days and all of them late days. Make them live it out comfortable, man. You have youth full strength, but do some bumper clock work, man, and help yourself. At Jamaica, this is not so much big car drive out on the road. That means some money they can make. So I'm some bumper clock and they care that you can do something for yourself. And if you have stress and elder, but probably I'll live on pension. I'll probably not even have nothing at all because you don't know government system set, boy. Youth. Now we're gonna do better, be. Love the elder people, love the people on the whole, but especially love the fucking elders them, dog. Yeah, what kind of bad man? Someone who can't even control no woman, someone who can't even control in a heart. Girl broken out in a ball and want to chop off girl. So what kind of bad man is you know? But you know what come bumbucklad, harass the elders them, but pay them dues already. Yo, them things piss me off, dog. And if you love the people them now, man. I have some people in a cash park, some youth on a cash park, especially when I hear about hard. I ask, who for chill?
Bro. All I'm have to say is, bro, John, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy to say this happening in our country. But I don't know if I say the young youths, them head hot here now, you can't even control them. You can't tell them nothing, you can't tell them what to do. And then again, the people them want to preserve them lives, so them not say nothing to them, they have to just work with the other and I come into them. So sometimes as civilians and regular people, you can't do nothing, you have to just work with the other. But a man like Spragga Benz, you know them man they think govern a certain way, so he must speak out upon it. More than mind more people come speak out upon it, but he must speak of a personal place because I probably experience him see it from first and you know. So that's why I must speak on it. But then again Jamaica, bro, Jamaica just messed up let me guys show you something where we not gonna laugh. To me laugh when me hear it, because me I say nothing no go so. There's this girl in Jamaica where she has say, yo, a guy, you know the guy will go to Trinidad and all over the Caribbean, go do video, go do vlogging with the gangster them and the bad man them in the like Trinidad, Jamaica, wherever. I remember I think his name Chris Mosley, something like so. I don't remember his name, but this is him in Jamaica speaking to a hairstylist owner or a store owner. He might ask her about ear and listen what the girl said. You might laugh, I laughed, but I don't know if you guys might laugh.
20 inch. This is the cost for a 20 inch bundle is like.
Listen again what she said now. She said the cost for 20 inch is 17,000 Jamaican dollars. And listen how much she said is the cost. The $17,000, the convertible number in US, listen what you say.
20 inch. This is the cost for a 20 inch bundle is like 17,000.
What is that?
Jamaican dollar.
But in US?
In US, $30 US.
When you hear that, tell me over that. Woman said $30 US. Some never know say $30 US in Jamaica. In Jamaican money is $17,000. That means I could have reached a yard then, man. That means I really could have rich. I need to buy about 10 or 20 bungles for an hour. 17,000 US. 17,000 Jamaican dollar. It's $30 US. Wow. Stay in school. So I'm going to tell people, stay in a school, because if you had stayed in school, you would know how to calculate a mathematical error like this. But then again, she think of the dome of her brain, so she not think right at the the man just hit her with it too fast, so she wouldn't. She think, but she not think at the same time. Now she's a clothes store owner plus hairstylist, I guess, or a clothes and hair owner. Now if you're an owner like you and you make an error like that, come on man, you must get robbed. You're gonna take $30 US. That means say if me bring $30 from you, right? If me bring, say not $30 then, say $120 and buy about a dozen bundles, that means say I rob you. Right? That would mean say I rob you. That don't make no sense. That's why I say stay in a school, bro. Stay in a school. People, I'm not telling a lie. I'm not telling a lie. The people in the comment section of a main danger laugh, brother. They might laugh off of the big John, bro. Alright. So, that. Let's hear what some of the fans have to say about the. Let's see what some of the fans have to say about the Spice calling Alkaline's name. You heard that fan have to say?
So hold on. Spice is a bad artist, right? When you take that from you, you can't take that from your Spice. Is a bad artist straight in the real life. But for straight reason right now, remember a couple years ago, you and Alkaline do a song together. You understand? Only thing me want you. You said me? So, how could you now sing for freedom shit and say Alkaline is a student to the teacher? Remember, Alkaline never said Gaza. Alkaline never went for the empire. You was a part of Gaza, and you a part of the empire. Vendetta do we own thing. We said we own trend. You understand? So, Alkaline not a student of Vybz Kartel. Alkaline doing own thing. Alkaline boss himself. The artist not boss Alkaline. You understand? Vendetta
doing own thing.
Whoosh.
Yo, him right when I say by all means necessary, him right when I say. Alkaline couldn't be a student of Vybz Kartel because he's not from his empire. He's not from his lineage. He's his own man, in but himself. I don't understand why people constantly compare Alkaline and Kartel. The comparison is not there. The both artists great, and the both of them different in their own significant way. But you know, people always tend to overshadow the younger one because the bigger one was there before. Them not try to justify the situation into separating both artists and knowing them both great in their own different way. They tend to always try to compare and overshadow the younger one. Saying that to say this is that overshadowing the younger one in a sense, when history goes by, when history keeps going by and going by, you will always have that overshadow in the history. So interjecting Alkaline name with Vybz Kartel, they might try keep him under bondage, try to lock and keep him down in a Vybz Kartel whole empire, whole lineage and everything to make it seem like say, oh, he was a part of that. So years to come when younger kids grow up and get older like we, them all say, a Kartel student this, rare, cause them say it in our history and it done written in our history, so that as what them are still. Now bear this in mind. Freedom Street is a big concert, bro. It's a big concert, and to interject Alkaline's name, that was very unnecessary. That shows Alkaline's greatness, and that shows that they wanted him a part of their history. Remember, it's a history that they are creating, right? They might create a history, but why interject a man that is not a part of you guys, Empire, Gaza, whatever? You guys are wanting to interject him into our history. Clearly you want him a part of our history. It's so funny. Massacre wasn't at the stage show, right? And he wasn't interjected in that part of the history. Remember, years to come, we're going to be watching this whole show and concert over and over again. A lot of people, even the younger ones that are growing up, are going to watch this show over and over again. So, years to come, we're always going to see it, and Alkaline's name is always going to be mentioned. So, to interject Alkaline in that show, it was very unnecessary, and it's a loss on you guys' hand. Because it's not more so a diss to Alkaline, but it's more so a big up to Alkaline. Because if you call Alkaline name and say, oh, Alkaline a student, it's a slight diss, but not head on complete this. It's just more so a big up. So it's a loss on you guys' end. So let me see some of the things on Kerry, because Kerry has a lot of posts on her Instagram status. Let's see some of that thing. So this post said, this post said, so much songs and claim Queen of Dancehall, but the only way to get a forward is to call Alkaline name. Question mark. Shame. I guess Alkaline is really the man. Win for the data bars, just as I say, bro. It's a win for him at the same time. It's just bad on your end to interject him. But I understand, I saw dancehall still like that, and people like the drama and people like the controversy, so it's all in it. But to do that, I never like it. But what is what it is, bro. It is what it is. It's a win for the Tabas, who wasn't even there. Exactly, Alkaline wasn't even there, but he's interjected in it. Now, if Alkaline and them was cool, like them are friends, we wouldn't see anything wrong with it. But knowing say only not in the youth, knowing say only not have nothing to do with the youth, and clearly don't want to have nothing to do with the youth, but still I interject him in everything, every chance gonna get. It's crazy. Let's see what some other fans has to say, because Kerry posts a lot of stuff.
Some mascot you keep can break him. Some dirty boy with them on a shirt to try to style me.
Yeah. So this our brother I say, always the brokest and the hungriest people have the most thing to say. Data number one shit. The man put up him data sign rotted. The data them out, you know, man. Data fans them out and about, bro.
Hey, what them know about we? All them attack.
This is how I said data where man himself. Oh, this is Dancehall World News. Man himself. Go some way did have to say vendetta. Big up all of the other supporters just the same. The man has to big up. So him have him side, but no, it's not like him must pick a side, but him clearly I say Alkaline a goat. Somehow we did have to say vendetta. Exactly. Everybody have them side, everybody pick them side. It's just a man and man have to know say yo, you can't a pre-violence show a man pick a side and you pick a side. You just have to understand say yo, I swear going in a playing field, competition there. People are gonna pick them favorite artists and people are gonna pick them favorite artists. I just say go. And apparently enough people Alkaline having fans and Kartel having fans. As I am a vendetta fan. So you know it go but come on. Whole heap of store pan carry post. More so people tag her in her pictures and videos and you know and share repost them. So this a guy a studio. Oh, this is Studio Vybz Entertainment. This is the owner of Studio Vybz. And Mr. Vendetta, mad. Bad mind have to try a little harder and say, oh, the more the fight and the more stronger them get, you know. Kartel no one said that before. The more them fight the stronger we get. The more the fight Alkaline and stronger him get, bro. Stronger, bro. As I say, bro, the cake is big enough for everybody to share. The cake is very much big enough for everybody to share, and it's just it is what it is, bro. The cake is big enough for everybody to share. We just have to share the ticket, brother. I know, I say, bro. Every man have to eat a food, dog. You can't bad mind the next man. You can't bad mind the next man for who him like and who him choose and whatever. So I just say, go, bro. So as me say, bro, make we all live right and live good with one another, bro. At 2025, we don't feel kill off with one another to a next man like a next man, rate a next man, or a next man, or support a next man, or yeah, a next man have a favorite artist and you have your favorite and we don't disagree with one another because of minor differences. So you see me? We just have to live good as one another, brother. As Jamaicans, make we live good for 2025 and year on, bro. I know say music, brother, the artists them not pre them one another. So we should not pre with one another as fans. We understand the controversy and the competition. There is always gonna be competition in every little sport, whether music, football, basketball, everything. People are gonna have them favorite artists. So we just have to know, say, I just so, bro, and live loving and no. So when a competition time, and we go all out as fans. Vendetta fans are going to go all out, Gaza fans, Unruly fans, Massacre fans. We just have to live loving. And may I speak justice, bro. Kartel show was a success in his eyes and many people's eyes. In my eyes also, because from my view, the crowd look impactful and it look, you know, it look very good. I like what I see. It may not sell out the stadium. It may not do bigger than Buju Banton show, but it did very well, and promoters may say they was succeedingly successful to the whole show and put together and production. So kudos to them, bro. It's just that, to me, in my eyes, it would have seemed more professional for no say some of the errors that was in the show never needed to be in it, like the suck your mother up on the stage and the popcorn and the chronic law. The spice part alright, cause they know a dancer, but the suck your mother, the bands never did it. Which bands I think was needed. The bands was needed. Me definitely think that. And the lack of professionalism with some of the performance also. Some of the artists them never really perform so good, but we understand them come for just support and give Kartel, you know, them in strength. I'm respect that. So in all fairness, it's a good show, bro. It turned out well. And I hope they move forward from all the backlash where they get, because people are always going to have things to say, bro. I just say, we are Jamaicans, you know, we like criticize people, and a natural thing that for we, you know, bro. All when a man do good in our eyes is like we not see good. We see the good, but we not see more right. We not see more than the bad part. That's just natural thing. Criticism is a natural thing. People are going to do critique, and that's what we're here for. But if y'all like the video, stay tuned for the next episode to drop soon. And remember to like and share and subscribe to the channel if y'all like the video. And you know a mad thing I'm out. Represent Vybz and Inside, man.